Alright, so that's where they're going to be for now. I'm going to take some stuff off this engine and get it ready to be pulled. Take loose the drive shaft, take loose the exhaust. I'll undo it here and down there. We're going to drop that tank at some point because I got to take the fuel switching thing, because the one out of that 93 is no good, or while it's screwy. But you know, then we got to undo the power steering pump line. Not really sure of anything else. Mainly get this downpipe off. It's one of the. It's going to be fairly easy to get off. It'd be nice if I had a pressure washer and blow off that tranny. But yeah, the cab's sitting over here. So that'll be on the new. That'll be put on the new frame. Got to peel off that plastic drip thing that was on there. Need to pull my tail lights out of it actually. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.